Guys, we just got called in. Looks like we're gonna. I'll leave it here for now, and then we'll see what we're thinking. Okay, cool. That one's good. And just write it up and send a text out to the group chat. Cool. Cool beans, thanks, sir. Yeah, so we can call out that loose goosey handle here, so we'll take a look at it. See if we can figure out if it's good to cover it. Battery dying. So, sliding door. Get in here. Looks like something. I'm gonna have to tap screws. Something like this. Looks like we just have screws 1, 2, 3. Just cover your 1, 2 bottom. Covered. Okay. On the back. Don't be an idiot to try and force it off. Let's see. That's wrong. Now, let's cover it. We have to cover it off, and there's our smoking gun. You see, this is like a bracket here, and it has two metal holes. It's riveted to the panel, and it should have a side that goes through here, and then a side that goes through here. You can see on our IBC that should have 2 ears. The washer that goes to that side and 3 into that. So, looks like our washer may still be there. I'm not sure, but there's the purple one. There's the blue one. As you can see, there's 2 ears on that. You can assemble those to go through. That's the part that's wrong. So, drill down the rivets. That'll clear down on the side of the door, so we'll put the rivets through there. Back together, check the adjustment on the clock. Should be good to go. Right, rivets are on, covers back on. Door handle's not all loosey-goosey now. It's back on the other end. Alright, so as you can see, the door is back on. Take it off. Get the cover off. There's that metal piece. Now it closes how it should. Tons of slop in there. Everything is back to normal, as it should be. So, anyway, thanks for checking it out.